I'd like a picture touching the private part.
Okay, I will get a picture of you. Again in Medellin, just about to go on a walking tour of the city.
Downtown Medellin is the most special place on planet Earth. It is noisy, smelly, crowded, dirty, and on top of all those fantastic things, it's the place in town where we have to take more care of our belongings. Guys, I don't want you to be scared. We've taken more than 230,000 gringos to Medellin city center. All I'm saying is that, especially for men, having your belongings in your pockets, it's a very bad idea. Second, for everybody, if you want to take pictures, please do so with both hands so people know that you're in charge of your stuff. And third, especially for men, you're gonna be extra careful when you cross traffic lights because that's when people bump into you and their hands are faster than yours. But, you know, we're gonna be alright. Downtown. People are gonna say El Centro, but this area we call it La Alpujarra. Just like the metro station where I found it. So we are downtown, El Centro, in the area of Alpujarra. Alpujarra is the name of this place, the administrative center of Medellin and the province. That's why we call the metro station that. But yes, we're downtown. The cool thing about Medellin is that downtown El Centro is really the city center. It's like if you see geographically, it's in the middle of everything, but it's also the historical part, even though that we know that we don't have a lot of old buildings and stuff. This will be like the oldest part of town as well. So guys, do you remember that I told you that we paisas are super proud of being paisas? Sometimes it feels like we're more proud of being paisas than we are being Colombians. That's why today you're gonna see a lot of monuments dedicated to paisas alone and not to the whole country. Like this small one. So on the far right corner of the monument, there is a little fish that represents evolution because all life comes from water. The naked man with the long beard represents God. He's chasing 3 young women that represent the 3 continents that make up paisas. You know, the American continent, the African continent, and the European continent. But this particular neighborhood, we call it El Hueco. Means something like the hole or the pit. We love buying clothing here because one of the main incomes of Medellin comes from clothing manufacturing. So you can find brands that you've never seen before at wholesale prices. But the second reason why things are cheaper here is that we sell a lot of fake, counterfeit, and smuggled products. The thing is that if we had a line that divided the legal from the illegal in Colombia, where do you think most people would stand? Fully on the legal side, fully on the illegal side, or perhaps the middle? I think we dance salsa between the two. We dance legal salsa, then we dance illegal salsa, and everybody's chilling. No one's going anywhere. That's why you can see the not so legal street vendors next to the people who do pay taxes, and everybody's chilling. No one's going anywhere. And talking about places where we sell fake stuff, this one is El Palacio Nacional, the National Palace. If you see golden tops anywhere else in this neighborhood, it's always going to be El Palacio Nacional. But
this is definitely one of the nicest malls I've been in, because the only one I've been in was Plaza Minorista, which you guys have already seen. So it's, yeah, wow, check that out.
We call it La Veracruz, because that is La Iglesia de la Veracruz. Means something like the Church of the True Cross. This used to be known as the Church of Foreigners, because this is the second oldest church in Medellin. So in theory, it would be for you. But in reality, this is the area where a lot of sex workers gather. Because some people don't use religion to stop doing bad things, but to do bad things more often. So they take a woman to a nearby hotel, and after that, they go inside the church. Prostitution in Colombia is not illegal, provided that the sex worker is at least 18 years old. Because the Supreme Court ruled that the government cannot tell you what to do with your own body. What is illegal though is making money through somebody else's body. Pimping, proxenetism is illegal in Colombia. I pay a lot of money for this to happen, guys, so you're welcome. No. And the cool thing about this church is that you see that they are ringing the bells. That is not common at all anymore, because bells are very expensive and getting them tuned is super expensive. So in a lot of churches, you're gonna see that they have the bell with the bell sound. But
check that out.
that one is the Museo de Antioquia, the Museum of Antioquia. It's an art museum, and inside of it there are many, many artists, including a lot of paintings by Fernando Botero, who is said to be the most important Colombian and Paisa artist of the 20th century. The thing is that he created his own language that Botero called the language of volumes, and Susy calls the language of disproportions. Because do you see this horse? It has a very strong body and a small head. But the man's head is a lot bigger than the poor horse's head. There's a big disproportion in this one. This guy's not chubby, he's got a six-pack. He's strong. And the little shiny thing, guys, those sculptures were made in Italy, where Botero lived for a long time. Those are not Paisa proportions. That's what the boys make me say, so I said it. So you're gonna notice that the pie parts are shiny. The legend says that if you haven't found the love of your life, you're gonna touch the pie parts, you're gonna find it. But if you already have the love of your life, you're gonna touch the pie parts, you're gonna have 7 years of good sex. The private parts.
Good sex?
Yeah, good sex or the love of your life, depending on what you don't have.
Either way, it's
both. And if you want both, what do you do? I don't know, guys. That's good for you. But you know, so.
I'd like a picture touching the private part.
Okay, I will get a picture of you. Gotta. Woohoo!
Thank you. I got the house. Need a hand, I'll give you a lift. Yeah.
All right. Team effort, team effort.
Yeah.
All right. Woohoo! It was worth it. I got the shot. I got the shot.
Yeah, better have really good sex or find the love.
Oh yeah, there you
Oh my
go.
god, I just killed myself.
That rocked. I've never. That was definitely like almost Jordan-esque.
I'm glad we didn't get a full-on video.
Well,
I mean,
there's like a live. Sorry, and I took a bunch of because that was
Amazing.
Oh wow.
Gracias. Yeah, that was awesome. Actually, there is a full-on video. So let me know if you don't want it appearing. I can cut it out of my YouTube. What is this? Is this a good luck if you like rub the thigh or something on this one?
No, the privates.
Oh, the privates.
Of course.
Oh, all the privates. Oh
Right,
yeah,
that's
no.
what I decided.
All right, so yeah, good. Was it 7 years of good sex, or you'll meet the love of your life?
Yeah.
One of the two. Nice. All right, so you've rubbed all the privates. Nice. All right. Do you want? Wait. Do you want photos?
No, I can't do it. I can do it, and I can't fall again because I already have like
yeah,
a
no.
massive bruise.
Just curious, how authentic are? Where's because if they're authentic, I wouldn't mind trying it. So because then I don't have to travel to wherever.
You are supposed to eat them.
Yeah. But I'll ask. So Susie, how authentic are their big ass ants there? Because I'd heard that's a different region, but I didn't think it was. So
no, these ones are the
these
real
are the
ones.
authentic real
Yeah,
ones?
especially because you cannot fake them because they have
big
a
ass,
certain they
This
have
would
a
be
certain
Okay.
physiology that you cannot fake.
And how much do you think I should pay for it? Like what?
I don't know if it's 20,000. They're not cheap
Yeah.
because they're a delicatessen.
Let's see.
If it's like a
Hola. ¿Cuánto es?
Hello, see you.
How much?
These are crunches and salty and spicy.
How much?
And
Or-
crunches and salty no spicy.
Oh, okay.
It's
Pero
no
but-
spicy.
but how
is
much?
15, 15.
15.
If spicy is 20.
Okay. Do you want spicy or non-spicy?
I'm good with whatever.
The
Um,
spicy is so good.
You know what, let's go with the non-spicy.
Very good.
Right, cool.
It with beer is very good experience. It's delicious.
Yes, I delicioso.
See, it's crunches. The crunch.
All right, let's go.
2, 1.
Just one.
One big.
I'll just try one of those.
Cool.
If you don't mind.
Yeah. Gracias.
Enjoy it. Goodbye.
Right.
Welcome to my city.
Okay.
Can we record
I'm
you
very
eating it?
excited. Oh, well, we record all of us eating it. I got some of those big ass ants. We're gonna. Well, we'll say, I was assuming what time? We can do it now, or we can do it at another break because we might want to. Do you have a beverage on you?
Yeah, I have water.
Okay, good. Because I was like, you might want to wash it down. But
Do you have some for you? If not,
I do have. Yeah, I do have something. So, does anyone want to try the big ass ants? I don't know if there's time.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some.
So,
You should try
and you may end up on my YouTube as well, depending on how you react.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. So
Like it's still you're scared because of the flavor, but it's not a
texture. It probably tastes like a nut or something, I assume, right?
I mean,
What's the word? Sure.
I've had
Do you want it? Oh no, you're that's right.
in,
No, perfect.
Mexico,
so you can be the filmmaker.
I'll handle it, I'm sure.
So
we have our lucky number. Ready to go?
all right.
Okay.
That way.
Now? Yeah? We're about to eat a big ass meal.
Come join for the here.
And please
Have
tell
fun.
us how you all feel at every moment of this.
Anyone want a big ass ant?
He doesn't know.
I'm getting it.
Show the camera.
Oh, did you go in?
Oh, I already went.
You didn't
Look.
wait?
No, I just ate
You
the whole
gotta
thing.
you gotta properly present the big ass ant.
Yes.
Look, it's got a giant ass.
Yes, yes.
Here.
Yes.
It's got. Ooh.
Oh
That's
my
okay.
God.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
my
Birds will get it.
God.
Birds will
Oh
get
my
it.
God.
It's all right. Bottoms up.
But you have
It doesn't taste like much. It doesn't taste like
popcorn.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah,
Good.
it doesn't taste like much.
Want to try?
Really.
It's really good.
Great.
It's like the feeling you
Poor
got.
Susie.
Yeah.
Poor
It really-
Susie is like, where are my people?
It really is quite good. It's like
Oh, no, I
popcorn.
can't. It really looks like
It's still
naan.
alive? Oh no, it's dead. Don't worry. Oh, I'll hang on to it if you guys want.
I don't eat meat, so I don't know how this qualifies in my no meat situation. All right, are we done with that?
Sorry. All right.
No, I can't.
Are you sure? Yes, you
Oh,
can.
I can't.
Don't think about it.
Chug water afterwards. Here, you have this after.
You guys are gonna have a good night. It's gonna be great.
Yes. It's good for your health.
No, it's good for our sex.
Yes, it's good for your sex. It's like aphrodisiac.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what they said. They did say actually it's an aphrodisiac. So
Yeah, that was what she explained as well.
so.
I can't.
All right. I'm gracias. Oh, he. That guy even picked up the ones I dropped.
Yeah.
He even picked up the ones I dropped. Yeah, we both ate it. Yes.
Yes.
Woo! Well done. See, it's not so bad. It's like a nut or popcorn kind of thing mixed in one. Delicioso.
Sabe.
Nice. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you. Delicioso.
You might feel gross for 5 minutes, but the memory is forever.
It's weird.
Yeah.
It is a little bit weird,
Yeah.
but it's not so bad. Because at least it doesn't taste bad.
No, it doesn't taste bad, but
It's just the idea that,
you
yeah.
have these things like
Yeah, don't think about those.
Well, it's already gone.
Well done. I'm glad.
It's a bad saying, but in Brazil they say, "Maior come menor."
Did you have?
I didn't have.
Okay. Did you want to?
No.
I still have more. Let me know.
I still like. No, you seems like, oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Then but like, I feel like you have the mindset, you know?
Yeah.
Like it's like, oh.
You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. Exactly. No, it's not so bad.
Yeah. It's like when I was like in Thailand, they sell like all the like
yeah, scorpions and yeah.
I feel like
Why there are so many people here?
Okay, I'll tell you
You're gonna
later.
see that most of them are older. They tend to be retired. They have their pensions. So sometimes when men retire, they have nothing to do. So they start bothering their wives, you know, following them around and asking, why are you putting so much onion on that soup? And the wife is like, you know what? Either you help me clean or get out of the house. So they get out of the house and they have very little to do. So they start exchanging watches, like what they're doing here. And they tell one another stories on why this watch is so special, blah, 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 who gave it to them. And they spend the whole day here. And then at night, they go back home. And they do that like the next day. It happens not only here, but also if you go to Envigado and you see older men, you're gonna see them doing the same thing. It's like very popular amongst retired men. And this place, we call it El Cambalache, like the trading place or the exchange place. And if you want to like practice your Spanish and your negotiation tactics, I would come here. All right, guys.